Okay, teka. Sino nga ba muna? Ako si Marco.
Marco? As in, Marco Santa Cruz? Di ba yung interview ka ng TV5 regarding one of the missing people?
Oo. Isa sa mga nawala ay yung kaibigan ko na si Ana. There's just something off with this whole situation. Alam ko na may alam ang school.
That's fair. Is there any way we can help?
Wait lang. What if this is more dangerous than we thought?
Then there was more reason to investigate, right?
He's right. I heard you were looking into the room sa 3rd floor. Kasi may nakita kang silhouette. I wouldn't be surprised. Some student mentioned that they see someone going inside. But every time a guard checks, there's no one inside.
Is there any other rooms kaya that we can check for clues?
Now that I think about it, there is one place that most people went missing, and it's the library.
Library? We can check the library first, or yung room sa 3rd floor. Ano unahan natin?
I think we can check the library.
I think we should split up.
Split up. Pwede naman. So we can cover more ground.
Teka, isn't this too much of a risk? Hindi na natin kilala si Marco. What if something bad happens?
It will be fine. Hindi nga tayo magkakilala pero tingnan mo ngayon. Magkasama na tayo. We need to figure this out. We need to find more clues.
So ano, G?
So how will we split up?
You and me investigate the room, okay? Tapos mauna na si Sam sa library.
Sige.
We have to figure this out. Something worse could happen.